Good, y'all? What's good, YouTube? Pariah. Enter my realm real quick. Now look, I got a very short and simple YouTube video for y'all today. Why pain is the main motivator. Why resistance, hardship, adversity, suffering is the key to growth. It's the key to wisdom. If you don't fall, how will you learn to pick yourself back up? If you don't put your hand on that stove top, how will you know right from wrong? Because as you know, for me, I can't speak for everybody, but for me, the main reason I found out about NoFap, semen retention, the red pill, all of this female nature stuff was because I've been hurt. Obviously, what society was teaching me, what I picked up on from social media, YouTube, TV shows, what parents were teaching me, it was the wrong formula. Playing Prince Charming doesn't work. Being the good guy doesn't work. I got finesse out of hundreds. I've been played. I've been cheated on. You feel me? Cheated on by the guy who treats her like shit. Who don't get her anything. Being the shoulder to cry on does not work. I'm not going back to being a son. I'm not going back to being a weak male. I'm not going back to beating my meat all day. Fuck that. I refuse that. I refuse to go back to that. That pain is eternal. That pain is forever going to be with me. So now I know how it feels to experience that. You feel me? If you don't go out and take risks, go out and live life, go out and get hurt, then you're not going to have the experience. You're forever going to stay ignorant. You feel me? And think about it. What caused you to change? I guarantee you, the main motivator for you is some type of traumatic experience. Something that you don't want to go back to. Something that you refuse to go back to. Something that you refuse to deal with. A toxic relationship. Porn addiction, any type of addiction, being fat, obese. These things, these type of traumatic experiences are molding you into a better man because now you're on a better path. I'm keeping it raw, bro. People who have not been hurt have no desire to change. People who have not been cheated on, backstabbed, played have no desire to learn female nature. Everything is rainbows and skittles with them because they haven't been through the fire. They have not. The only difference between a man with wisdom versus a man who's ignorant is the man with wisdom has suffered. The man who's ignorant, nothing has happened in his life at all. You feel me? If you don't get outside your comfort zone, if you don't take these risks, if you don't battle with life, if you don't ride the ups and downs, you're going to be stuck in the same spot. How can you grow without moving? How can you go on a new adventure without being in a new place? That new place can be uncomfortable. Without resistance, you can't grow as a person. Without any type of mental resistance, any type of hardship, you can't grow spiritually. You can't go mentally. Without strength, resistance training, you can't grow physically. Everything revolves around hardship, adversity, stress. And for me, bro, I get elated whenever I have to go through something challenging, difficult, hard. Because without a test, you can't have a testimony. How can you be proud of an accomplishment if it was not difficult? You feel me? You don't remember all of the easy things in your life. You're not going to remember the female who lets you hit on the first date. You're not. You're going to forever be stuck on the female who never lets you hit or who made you wait a long ass time. Anything that's a challenge is going to mean more to you. And that's facts. Imagine beating a game on easy. Who gives a fuck? But if you beat it on hard, you're going to remember that game. You're going to be proud that you beat the game if it was difficult. You feel me? Embrace the suck. Embrace the hard things in your life, bro. Because the hard things that happen in your life are going to be the main things that you're going to want to talk about. They're going to be the things that motivate you. Embrace the pain. Let it sit. Let it marinate. You feel me? Because if you don't quit in this game of life, if you don't quit, then you're forever winning because losses are only lessons. Life is the best teacher. And if you don't live, you'll never learn. Now look, man, that's the video for today. Take care of yourself, really. Drink your water, exercise, be the best versions of y'all that y'all can be. Embrace the pain, embrace the suck, let it motivate you. I'm not going back to my past. My past was terrible. I kept moving forward and I paved a better way for myself. I'm making improvements little by little, you feel me? I'm getting better little by little. As long as I keep moving forward. It's about constant progression. 1%, 2%, 10%, it doesn't matter as long as I'm improving. And that should be your mindset too. But I'm Pariah. And